Hi, let's discuss the solution of the given question. Here, what is the given question? If the coefficients of x cube and x power 4 in the expansion of 1 plus ax plus bx square into 1 minus 2x whole power 18 in powers of x are both 0, then a comma b equals to. Here, our task is to calculate the values of a and b. Here, clearly the given information is coefficient of x cube as well as coefficient of x power 4 in the given expansion equals to 0. When you are equating to 0, you will get two equations in two unknowns, that is a comma b. Then automatically you can solve those two equations. Finally, we will get the values of a and b. Let's start the solution. Solution. Here the given expansion. The given expansion is 1 plus ax plus bx square into 1 minus 2x power 18. So in the next step, I will multiply each and every term of the first expansion with 1 minus 2x whole power 18. So 1 into 1 minus 2x whole power 18. 1 minus 2x whole power 18. Next plus ax into 1 minus 2x whole power 18 plus bx square. Bx square into 1 minus 2x whole power 18. So in the next step, we will equate to coefficient of x power cube equals to 0. So this in the next step, this implies coefficient of x cube equals to 0. So in the first term, what is the coefficient of x cube? Suppose if you take x plus y whole power n, coefficient of r term means NCR into x power r some y power n minus r, like that you can write. Here it is in the form of x minus y. So minus 1 whole power r comes into the picture. So alternatively plus minus comes into the picture when you expanded the binomial theorem. Here coefficient of x cube means here there is a minus 2 whole cube into x cube not required to write. We want only coefficient. So 18c3. Next plus a x into is there. So when you multiply with x, so if you take x cube term, it becomes x power 4. So you have to take x square term in this expansion. So what is that here? Minus 2 whole square into 18c2. Next plus b into, here x square is already there. So you have to take only x term. So here already we took x square term, x square into x means x cube only. Here we have to take only x term plus b into minus 2 whole power n into 18c1, which is equals to 0. In the next step, this implies minus 2. What is LCR formula? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Here 18c3 is there. 18c3 means 18 factorial by 18 minus 3, 15 factorial into 3 factorial. 15 factorial gets cancelled. Then 16 into 17 into 18 by 1 into 2 into 3. Let me write here 16 into 17 into 18 by 1 into 2 into 3 plus a is there already minus 2 whole square 4a into 18c2 16 factorial 18 minus 2 16 factorial gets cancelled. Finally 17 into 18 by 1 into 2 plus b is there. Let me write here minus 2b into 18c1 means 18 only, which is equals to 0. Now if you observe 18 is there in each and every term, there is a 2 is there in each and every term. Let me take out here minus 2 whole cube means minus 8. Don't write minus 2 as it is. There is a cube is also there. It is mixed with this coefficient of x. Let me write clearly here minus 2 whole cube. So now let me take 2 into 18 outside and equal to 0. So finally we will get, this implies, so 2 into, once after going to out, here minus 4 remains. Next 18 is also out. 16 into 17 by 2. Next 16 into 17 by 1 into 2 into 3. Next 2 is out. Again there is a 2a remains. 17 into 18 by 1 into 2. Next minus b equals to 0. In the next step, here how many times? 2 times will get cancelled. Next here also 2 gets cancelled. Finally we are getting minus 2 into 16 by 16 into 17 by 3. Next plus 17a. Next minus b. 18 is out. Minus b equals to 0. Minus b equals to 0. So while writing here 18 not requires, minus b equals to 0. So in the next, this is the, you can take as this as the equation 1. Don't multiply, it becomes very lengthy. Now in the next step we will do a coefficient of, we will equate coefficient of x power 4 equals to 0. So what is that here? Minus 2 whole power 4. Let me write clearly. Coefficient of x power 4 equals to 0. So minus 2 whole power 4 next into 18c4. Next plus minus 2. Here x is there. We want x power 4. X cube term you have to take. Plus a into minus 2 whole cube. Minus 2 whole cube into 18c3. Next, in the next step here x square term you have to take. Plus b into minus 2 whole square into 18c2 equals to 0. Now let's expand. This implies minus 2 whole power 4 plus 16. 16 into, here 18c4 means 18 minus 4, 14 factorial gets cancelled. Finally we will get 15 into 16 into 17 into 18 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Next, in the next step, minus 2 whole cube means minus 8. Minus 8a, here 15 factorial gets cancelled. 16, 17, 18 by 1 into 2 into 3. In the next step, here minus 2 whole square means plus 4 into b, 18c2 means 16 factorial gets cancelled. 17 into 18 by 1 into 2. Now 4 into 17 into 18 by 1 into 2 you have to take common and equal to 0. So finally we will get, the next step it becomes, so 17, 18 by 1 into 2, 4 is out. Here 4 is out, 4 remains. Next 15 is there, 16 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there. 3 into 4 in the denominator. Next again 4 is out. Next minus 2 remains here. A 17 into 18 out. So 16 by, so 1 into 2 is out, 3 remains. So in the next step, 4 is out. Plus b remains, which is equals to 0. Now let me check once again. Here 4 is out. So what does remain? 4 into 4, 16. 17 into 1, 8. 1 into 2 is out. 15 into 16 by 3 into 4 remains, right? Here 4 is out. Minus 2 remains here. Here 17 into 8. 16 by 3 remains plus b equals to 0. This is equation 2. Is there any cancellations? Let me check once again. 4 gets cancelled here. 4 gets cancelled. Finally you can write 15 into 16 by 3. Next, any cancellation here? No. See, you can write 32. 32 by 3. 32 into a by 3. 2 into 16. 32 by 3. Next, plus b equals to 0. This is equation 2. Now, in equation there is a minus b. In equation 1. In equation 2 there is a plus b. Now you can add both 1 and 2. You will get the required solution. 1 plus 2. There is a 1 plus 2. Here suppose if you take, these are the constant terms. See, observe very much carefully. There is a 16 by 3. There is a 16 by 3. You can take it outside. So 16 by 3 I am taking outside. What else remain here? Minus 2 into 17. Minus 2 into 17 means minus 34. Next, here 16 by 3 is out. There is a plus 15. So now it is easy to solve. Next, in the next step, there is a 17a is there. Here also there is a is there. So simply you can take plus a is outside. Next, write 17. Next, minus 32 by 3. Next, what does remain here? Minus b plus b gets cancelled, which is equals to 0. Simply, in the next step, this implies 16 by 3. Here minus 34. Minus 34 plus 15 means minus 34. Minus 24. Minus 24. 5 is outside. So here minus 19. Exactly. Minus 19. Here. Next, here also plus a into here 51. That's 17 into 3, 51 minus 32. 51 minus 32 means here 51 minus 32. Exactly, let me write here 51, 32. Exactly 19. 11 minus 2 here, 19 is there. So minus or plus 19 by 3 remains, which is equals to 0. Directly I am writing, instead of writing one more step. This implies you can cancel with you can multiply throughout 1 by 19. Finally you will get, see, 19 by 3 is there. Finally minus 16 plus a equals to 0. This implies a equal to 16. See here, this is the required value. So very lengthy expressions are there, lengthy calculations are there, don't do any single mistake. So finally we get a equal to 16. Now let's calculate the value of b. Simply substitute in either of these equations. So you can substitute, in the first equation automatically you will get b value. So let me substitute here. Here I will write this side. The next step, what is the easiest equation? The second itself is the easiest equation instead of the first one. So let me substitute a equals to 16 in equation 2. Finally we will get. So what is the second equation? 15 into 16 by 3. Next minus 32 into a by 3. 32 into a. A means how much here? 16 only. 16 by 3. No. Yeah, exactly, 16 by 3. Next plus b. Plus b equal to 0. Now this implies, simply you can take 16 by 3 outside easily. 16 by 3 is out. What does remain here? 15 minus 32 plus b equal to 0 plus b. In the next step, 16 by 3, here 32. 15 minus 32 means 32 minus 15 means 30. 22 minus 5 means 17. Exactly. See, minus 17 plus b equal to 0. There is a minus. This implies b equal to 16 into 7. 16, 256. Yeah, 272 by 3. Minus 272 by 3. Finally, we will get b equal to 272 by 3. 272 by 3. Therefore, we get a equals to 16 and b value. The value of b equal to 272 by 3. These are the required values of a and b. Now let's compare with the given values. What are the given values here? First one 16, 251 by 3. No, this is incorrect. Second one 14. No, this is incorrect. And third one is also incorrect. Why a equal to 14 is there? And fourth one 16, 272 by 3. Exactly. This is the correct option. So this is the final conclusion. At last, what is the process we applied? Here simply we equated coefficient of x cube equal to 0 and also coefficient of x power 4 also equal to 0. Finally, we get two equations, two unknowns in terms of a and b, and then we solve those two equations. Finally, we get the values of a comma b. This is the procedure. So it is a little bit lengthy, but don't do any mistakes. You should have some practice. Thanks for watching. All the best.